Hola Charmers, Johnny here. And before I end up the day, I wanted to do a quick skincare routine using a lot of the products that I got on my September vlogs. So if you want to see how I do that, keep on watching. First, I'm going to start with the Biro Tomato Serum. This is a highly concentrated formula that helps you minimize imperfections and hydrate your skin. So I'm gonna open it and take just a couple of dabs. And I'm gonna take just like 1 or 2 drops of it. And these, I'm gonna massage it into my hand and then put it all over my face. And honestly, my first impression is that it smells delicious. It doesn't smell like a plant or anything like that, but it has like a really kind of expensive smell, if you know what I mean. So I got this one in my box, but some of you charmers will be getting this one instead of this. And this is the Cheer Up Brightening Pharmacy Beauty Eye Cream that I am obsessed with, and I have it in my house, so I was like, you know what, let me just show it to you guys as well. This pharmacy eye cream, I love it a lot because I can take just a tiny bit of it, and it includes also vitamin C, so it's not only gonna like help deep up my eyes and all of that, but it's also gonna brighten this under eye area, which is amazing, honestly. Right after I put my eye cream, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize now, and for that I'm gonna use the Osea Atmosphere Protection Cream. So my first impression is that I love this packaging. It comes in a glass bottle, so it's like quality, you know. And then we have a little pumper right here. I'm just gonna take 2 pumps and take it with my hand and moisturize my skin. This moisturizer, besides being lightweight and really delicious, it also provides protection against environmental stressors. And now that I'm putting it on with all of my other skincare, it feels so delicious on my skin. It feels kind of like compact and kind of tacky when I put like a good hydrating primer, which I love. And it's really hydrating my skin right now. So I'm really excited to see how it will perform throughout the day. So for this last step, I'm going to be using 2 products. First, the Milk Watermelon Brightening Serum, and I'm going to combine that with my Kitsch Ice Roller. Some of you charmers will be getting one of these products in your Luxe box, and some of you charmers will be getting these products. What I love the most about any Milk makeup product is their packaging, because as you can see, it comes in a little tube that you can take out of the protection thing, and then just slightly bloop bloop dab onto your skin like that. That I think it's really convenient, especially when you're on the go, you're traveling, you're bringing products with you, you want something that you don't have to like either scoop out or like, you know, this is the one. Like this are super convenient products to apply all over your face and whatever you need it, you know, like it's really easy. And this is why I love Milk so much. But I also love it because I can finish my skincare routine with it by just applying a little bit of this serum. And then to make sure that my skin absorbs all of those serums and all of that skincare that I put, I'm gonna go with my Kitsch Ice Roller. I put it in the freezer already, and then I took it out like 2 minutes ago, so it's cold but not like burning cold. All I'm gonna do is just start massaging my face with it, which feels so delicious. This is gonna help depuff my whole face, my under eye area, by making all of that skincare that I just put kind of like absorb easier and better into the layers of my skin. I'm just gonna do this for a little bit more all over my face, and I'll be right back. Charmers, and I almost jumped into it without realizing that I was like, I forgot to do my mask. So as you can see, I'm already loving my skin, how it looks, but I just want everything to be completely perfect and set for the night. This is also something that helps me relax before I go to bed, and it's applying a mask. So I'm gonna be using the 111 Rose Gold Brightening Facial Mask. And if you like luxury skincare, this is the one. So I wanna show you how it comes on the packaging. You pull it out right here, and it's all folded and it has all of the juices and ingredients inside. So then you open it in half and open it once again. Bam. And then we have our mask in here. I usually go ahead and in this part, I take out the eye patch, like the little protection things that they have for the eye. I take out the one for the mouth, just so it will make it easier for me to put it on. Let me take the other eye out. It has a layer of protection in between this layer and this, the jelly one. So all you gotta do is take out that first layer. Bam. You see? Like a plastic. And then you can peel your mask off without any problem. And I will recommend you doing it like this, kind of like applying it with the white one, so you can place properly all of the skincare that comes in the mask straight to your face. So let's do it. Of course, after you put it on, you can like reaccommodate, you know, however makes it most comfortable for you. I'm gonna put it all the way up here. So now that we have our mask on, I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and I will be right back with the final results. Okay, mis amores, what do y'all think now? I feel like I love doing skincare routines right before going to bed because it kind of like helps me calm down, it's soothing, it's good for my skin, and it also helps me wake up tomorrow feeling fresh and gorgeous, which is amazing. If you've been trying on home some of these products from your Luxe box, let me know in the comments down below because I will be reading. I want to see which one is your favorite product and why. And with that, we are done, mis amores. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you can get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Leave a comment down below, click the like one, and I'll see you in the next one, mis amores. Bye!